You have to be a data-driven organization. You have to lead with data, intelligence, insights, and then you have to package that with the automation and enablement of your sales organization, meaning you're forcing process down to make sure that they're taking action on those insights. Hey, if I've got Bob here or Susie that is a first-time home buyer, I want to know if they're in the market. I want to know their financial profile. And then I want to be able to drive the touch points, the engagement. And I want to do it at an enterprise level. It's not enough, and we see this over and over again. We looked at a lot of data in the last few weeks. The organization that simply say, here's an Excel file of some opportunities based on our back of the house data team. Go ahead and call on these. Like, you might as well just throw that in the trash can. You really have to automate the entire process, and it's a leadership-driven initiative.